Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a what I eat in a week. Boy is looking like Will Stronghold over here. What? So starting off, we're going to start cooking some couscous by just placing it in a pot and adding some water. Add a bay leaf as well and season it with a little pink Himalayan salt. And now we're going to also bring some lentils to a boil as well. Add some water to that. And also add a little pink Himalayan salt to the bowl and a bay leaf. Now, after washing my Swiss chard, we're going to add that to the salad base. We're going to just chop it up real finely. Then adding that to a bowl. And now adding arugula as well. And now we're going to chop some cilantro. And add that to the salad too. Tomatoes. Some red onion as well. Bell pepper. Just making this salad as colorful as possible. And now, this is how I clean my vegetables sometimes. The quick way, I just wipe it with some lemon. And lemon is kind of antibacterial, so I'm going to be adding some cucumber to this salad. And if you haven't already, you can also check out my cookbook that I have out on Amazon. The link will be in the bottom, in the description. The link will be in the description. Giving everything a good stir, mix. Now the couscous at this time mine was done, so I just took it off. And from the last video, I made a spaghetti sauce, and I'm adding that to my pot of lentils. It was just a little grapeseed oil, not a lot. Always taste your food. I love the way the couscous tastes. And now we're going to be making a sauce for a little bit of creaminess using Hass avocado. Just going to use half. Going to try to get all of that out. Some nutritional yeast, just a little bit. Some lemon peel, some nettle leaf, some black seed, and water. And I did add a little bit of pink salt to it as well, and habanero pepper for a little spice, and some basil. Oregano. That was, I think, myrrh powder I used a little bit, like a dash of myrrh powder. Try to get those benefits. And it was a little bit too watery for me, so I added a little bit of coconut powder, so it can get a little thick, because I wanted it to be, creamy and thick, not watery. So delicious, and I'm adding this to my bowl and just mixing it up. And I'm going to squeeze a lime in there as well. Adding the couscous, our lentils, and I'm chopping some seaweed as well. thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you again. Bye.